Okay, we're out here with the X-Drone Nano 2.0 maiden flight. This one is been out a while, but you know, I've been convinced that they don't make them like they used to when it comes to quads anymore. So we're gonna fly this guy and we're gonna see how we like it. Pick this one up off of Amazon, no lightning deal or anything, just I can't even remember exactly how much it was. I'll link it in the description. We got a cat like lurking out in the field there. We're at the library here. It is Wednesday. Library is closed on Wednesdays here. Beautiful place to fly. So we got on-off switch in the back. I left the prop guards on here for this initial flight. So we should be bound. We are. Do you believe these are your speed buttons? This is the controller is a little bit larger than a standard Nano. So let's try going up in the low rate here, see what happens. It might, whoa. Handle on the throttle. Okay, so it flies pretty good even in this low rate here and with the prop guards on. I'm not mad at that. I probably will take these prop, ooh, we got a hawk or something over there circling us. Come get some, Mr. Hawk. Come get some of the X-Drone Nano 2.0. It flies super stable here. We got a wind going this way, so it's gonna push it back a little bit. Let's come in and bring it up, see if we can get a nice little shot of the X-Drone here in the air. These Nanos are a little bit harder to show you guys. Got to keep it close. Got to keep it close with the Nanos. Got a car pulling in. So yeah, nice little yaw here, even on the first rate. Let's go to the second rate. Gives you 2 beeps. Upper left-hand stick. So it's got a pretty decent yaw here. Whoa. Orientation issues. Orange props in the front. Remember that, Walshy. Orange props in the front. Let's give it a flip here. Nice flip. Probably will flip a lot better once we take those prop guards off. It doesn't flip half bad though. I'm not mad at the flips. Not mad at the flips. So second rate, try to do a little funnel. Back the other way. Funnel's okay. All right, so full forward pitch, second rate. Not mad at that. Third rate. See what the third rate does for us here. There's your funnel on the third rate. Dude, we got the hawks. The hawks are, you probably can't see that, they're pretty good distance away, but they're circling something over there. Okay, so the third rate flies pretty nice. That's one of the reasons I wanted to pick this one up. I heard it was pretty quick. Having a little bit of issues turning, probably because of these prop guards. Let's see if we got LVC or anything yet. I don't believe so. Hard to see the LEDs in the daylight here though. Has like a rattle to it. A little bit of rattle to it. I'm not mad at it. I like it when these quads have a different sound to them. All right, do we have LVC? No, I think we're still good. There's full yaw. So the yaw isn't like super quick on it, but whoa, flyable. What did I just do there? I could have swore I had it going towards me, or the back was towards me. I don't know what I'm doing. Another shot, X-Drone Nano 2.0. It is a little pricey for a Nano. I think I paid, it was like 30 bucks I think when it came out, and that was one of the reasons I never picked it up. I thought it was a little too expensive. And there was other quads I wanted to spend my money on. Uh-oh. Are we LVCing? No, I don't think so. Let's see here. No, we're not flashing yet. So I think I picked it up for around 20 this time here. So, a little breeze coming at it. Coming at you, going into the breeze, coming back. A little spinny spin. A little flippy flip. Still got juice to flip. I'm not mad at the flight time for this Nano. And it's carrying those prop guards. So yeah, pretty decent funnel, not extreme. Not a bad day to fly either, light breeze. But you know, with these Nanos, even a light breeze is gonna affect them. Let's get another shot. Library in the background. Let's get another shot of our X-Drone here. Bring it in, bring it in. Bring it in a little closer. A little closer, come on. Wind coming at me. Drone coming at me. We're doing the limbo. We're doing the drone limbo. Yeah, so this guy flies nice. I left the prop guards on for this initial flight, and I'm probably gonna give it some flights indoors with them just to check it out. It doesn't fly half bad with them. I bet you it's gonna fly even better without them though. One bummer on them is they do have screws in them, and I think you're gonna have to remove the props to take them off. So that's a pretty good demonstration here with the X-Drone. I'm gonna leave you guys out with my music. I'll come back with a full review and probably some more flights with this guy. Oh, right into the pole and under the car. Man, I was just signing off too. Under the pole, or into the pole, under the car. Good thing I got long arms. Good thing we got the prop guards on, huh? No worse for the wear, looks like. So anyway, like I was saying, we're gonna leave you here with a little bit more flight footage with the X-Drone, come back with a full review, and probably some more flights with this guy. So stay tuned every day at noon. Peace.